As we walk through the production and processing area, you'll see various stages of our manufacturing process and our advanced equipment, including laser cutting machines, bending machines, CNC machining gear, and welding machines. Next, we'll move on to our surface preparation section, featuring state-of-the-art shot blasting machines designed to ensure optimal surface quality. Finally, we'll introduce you to our powder and free powder coating line. This section showcases our coating system, curing system, and the efficient operation of our power and free conveyor system. The automatic powder coating line consists of conveying system, spraying system, recovery system, and curing oven. Its feature is PLC control, adjustable speed, and suitable for workpieces of various sizes. It can be programmed and controlled according to the shape and size of the workpiece, and the spraying path can be reasonably designed to be more efficient and save energy. Besides, it can meet the requirements of rapid color change within 15 minutes, and the recovery rate can reach to 99.2%.